friends, here comes chapter 4 in our read aloud. Junie B. Jones is a party animal. Chapter 4 is titled Packing My Bag. So remember yesterday she was super excited to go to a sleepover at Lucille's house, but remember Mom and Dad had a lot of rules she had to follow. Let's see if she can remember them all. The next morning was Saturday. I jumped out of bed and run to the kitchen. Then I got a big, giant plastic bag and I run back to my room to pack for Lucille's. First, I packed my favorite pillow. Then I packed my pajamas and my bathrobe and my slippers that look like bunnies. Also, I packed my blanket and my sheets and a small, attractive throw rug. Finally, I packed my stuffed elephant named Philip Johnny Bob. He looked at me from inside the bag. "Yeah, only here's the problem," he said. "You're not actually supposed to put me in a plastic bag because I could suffocate in this thing." My eyes got big and wide. "Oh no," I said real upset. "I forgot about that." That's how come I quick got out my scissors and I cut air holes for that guy. Philip Johnny Bob sniffed the air. Better," he said. I petted his trunk. Then I went into the family room and I watched cartoons till Mother got up. Pretty soon I heard her slippers in the hall. Mother, I'm all ready," I said. "I'm all ready to go to Lucille's." I pulled Mother into my room and showed her my plastic bag. Mother shook her head. "Way too much stuff," she said. Then she got out a teeny suitcase from the shelf, and she packed my pajamas, and my slippers, and my robe, and my toothbrush. After that, she got a sleeping bag from her closet, and she put my pillow on top of it. "There, that's all you need. You're all set," she said. I springed into the air. "All set," I hollered real joyful. "Junie B. Jones is all set for Lucille's." After that, I quick grabbed Philip Johnny Bob and dragged my stuff to the front door. "All righty, let's be on our way," I shouted, very excited. Mother was in Baby Ollie's room. She didn't come. "Okie doke, I'm going outside now. Junie B. Jones is going outside to get in the car," I shouted louder. Just then Mother run to get me. No, Junie B., no, I'm not taking you to Lucille's, remember? Lucille's Nana is picking you up at 3 o'clock. I told you that. I'm sure I did. All of a sudden, my shoulders got very slumpy because I didn't actually remember that information. That's why. "Darn it," I said, very sad. 3 o'clock takes forever. After that, I slumped to the table and I ate my breakfast. Then I sat on my front step and I swinged on my swings and I read some books and I ate a cheese sandwich and I counted to 1,000,000 bazillion and I sat on my steps some more, and then guess what? 3 o'clock finally came. I saw the big gold car in my driveway. "Hey, she's here, she's here, she's here," I yelled real thrilled. Mother and Daddy hurried to the door. "Are you ready to go?" said Mother. "Ready!" I yelled. "Junie B. Jones is ready to go." The Richie Nana got out of her car. I throwed my arms around her. "Hello, Nana. Hello, hello. I have been waiting for you the whole livelong day." Mother pulled me off of that woman. "Sorry," she said. "I'm afraid Junie B. has a little extra energy in her. She's been sitting on the step for hours." I leaped way high in the air. "Sitting on the step," I hollered. "Junie B. Jones has been sitting on the step." Mother and Daddy carried my things to the big gold Cadillac. And guess what? When they opened the door, Lucille and Grace were already in the back seat. "Lucille, Grace, I didn't even know you were already here. And so this is a delightful surprise." I reached inside to try and tickle them, but Mother pulled my hand away. "Junie B., please don't start," she said. I saluted her. "Aye, aye, Captain," I said, real hilarious. After that, I got in the car and I bounced on the softy seat. Only too bad for me because I accidentally bounced too high and I banged my head on the roof. The Nana did a gasp. I patted her. "Yeah, only that didn't even faze me," I said. After that, I buckled up my seatbelt and waved goodbye to Mother and Daddy, and the Nana drove us away. All right, friends, she's off to Lucille's. I wonder what's going to happen. Tomorrow's chapter is called Going to the Ball. Any predictions to what that might mean? Going to the ball. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.